Sir, shall I start? It's 9:15, sir.
Yeah, let's start, Anirudh.
Okay, sir. Good evening for one and all present here. I'm Anirudh K from studying, currently pursuing aerospace engineering at IIT Hyderabad. So I'll be giving an overview of how good our department is. So about myself, so I graduated with a degree of BTech in aerospace engineering in year 2022 in Bangalore. I secured a gate rank of 235 and 513 gate score in aerospace engineering. So my MTech project is based on fracture mechanics of GFRP composites. So now I'll be giving you a brief agenda of today's presentation. So the number of seats allocated, which is there in which is there are two modes of admission. One is through GATE MOE and one is through self-sponsored. And I'll be giving you insights into specialization, the four specializations that are available in IT in our department, the groundwork that you need to do before you get admission to give good grades, and also the academic and non-academic activities at IIT Hyderabad. So the number of specializations are four of them. So having a BTech in aerospace, you are eligible for three of them. So aerospace engineering, mechanics and design, thermal fluids, and integrated design manufacturing is something that we are not eligible. But if your BTech is in mechanical, you can apply. So these are the type of projects that we'll be dealing with. Like for example, mechanics and design, we deal with fracture and fatigue, which is what I'm working on. And also aerospace engineering also deals with fracture mechanics of at IIT Hyderabad. So and thermal fluids deal with compressible flow and incompressible flow, and we do a lot of research work on various topics. So these are the labs and facilities that we have. So we have a variety of labs where you can push your boundaries of your understanding of fluid mechanics as well as structures. And these are the other labs. So I am in computational solid mechanics under that section. So there's something called impact lab. So that's where I'm working on fracture mechanics of CFRP composite. So these are the other labs which have fluid mechanics as well. So the flow of academic events is that in semester one you have 13 to 15 credits which needs to be completed, and then after semester one you'll be guide allocation will be done based on your performance in first semester, and semester two you'll have another set of coursework that you need to do, and semester three and four is thesis work, and you need minimum of 8 CGPA to convert from MTech to PhD at IIT Hyderabad only. So the groundwork is that you have to you can check the website. Everything is available. You can check the faculty's research work and ongoing projects. You can check the details of laboratory. Everything is there in the website. So you can fill the application form in COIP portal wisely depending upon which type of specialization you are interested in. Same applies for self-sponsored. Just that you don't need a gate score, but you can apply like if you have enough if your financial condition is good. So to score well in first semester, you need to be good at programming language like Octave, MATLAB, C++, and relative grading is done. So each professor has their own marking scheme to grade the students. Domain knowledge of Gate Aerospace is enough for certain, like for the first semester course called Mathematical Model for Engineers. So for FEM, like you can, which I am dealing with, you can read books like Professor Jain Reddy or Professor Ted Belisk or Professor Bate to understand FEM well, and that's how you score well in like first sem, second sem, and thesis work in third sem and fourth sem. So the academic activities is that you get internship opportunities after a first semester. Some of them will be available, and there are guest lectures in second semester that you can attend, that you have to attend, and then you can get a chance to publish your work in if your thesis is really good. And then there are seminars by research scholars that will come from time to time in second semester, and there are conferences that will come from time to time depending upon like the by the faculty. So these are the placements. This is just a brief overview of the type of companies will come. So the possibility of joining automotive and non-aerospace industries is possible because you are under mechanical engineering, not fully specialized with aerospace engineering. So You can say go to Whirlpool, for example. You can go to Siemens, like as an example, or Caterpillar. So these are the extracurricular activities. So these are two types of clubs. Aero clubs have fired, like these are technical ones, and non-technical clubs are these enjoying clubs where they do have their activities, but you may not have enough time because you're an MTech student. So I just wanted to share, like as a BTech student, what are the possibilities that are available. So these are some flagship events such as Elan and Vision, which happens in every event semester. And for references, I have listed them down here. So these are the references. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Anirudh, for your time and good presentation. So, Charisma, do you want to add any point?
Nothing, sir. Actually, Anirudh have covered, I think, everything that is happening in IIT Hyderabad.
Okay, so now we will take question.
Yes.
So, my first question, Anirudh, like, are there internship opportunities after first year?
Yes, sir. After first semester, there will be internship opportunities. Like we have answers, for example, we have Dassault Systems, Honeywell, which came this year. This year, like last year also, like when I finished my first sem, companies like Honeywell came for internship. Like with your guide permission and DPGC, they will allow you to like pursue internships, sir, which will be beneficial, I believe, because you'll get experience, industry experience.
Yeah, that's good thing. And second, is there any option to do MTech thesis in industry?
Yes, sir. There are some students who are working with DRDO projects, like but depending upon the faculty. So if the faculty is senior, then he may give a industry-sponsored project as well. So such
Okay.
possibilities are also present, sir.
But
Uh,
has to be
yes,
done
sir.
in IIT campus itself, or they can go to DRDO or DRDL labs and do.
Yes, in IT Hyderabad only you can do, sir. Like that, such things are
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
Sir, can I
Means,
add a point to this?
yeah, Charisma, you're saying something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Recently, in some of the industry lectures we'll have in the second semester, and even in that, some companies will offer a 1 year program. We'll get both the industry experience and the thesis work done in the same company.
Oh, nice.
One
That's
of the
good.
companies gave that offer.
One thing I want to ask earlier, Cient had good partnership with IIT Hyderabad. Still, it is there because even
Yes, sir.
Cient. Okay, okay. Because one of my colleague in Cient, he was like he has done masters from IIT Hyderabad, sponsored by Cient. So I also worked around 4 years in Cient. So I was knowing, but he was telling later on Cient removed that that course or that options. Okay, but is Cient coming for placement? Last year, did they
Yes,
came?
sir. Yes, sir. For our
Oh,
batch, they came, sir. They'll come for every batch.
okay, yeah. Because it's a mainly Hyderabad-based MNC, na Cient, and they work in large scale for P&W, Pratt and Whitney, and even Pratt and Whitney is shareholder of Cient actually. Yeah, Charisma. So
Okay,
how
sir.
did yeah? So Charisma, how are you feeling at IIT Hyderabad? Because your rank was quite good, and you would have got many other IIT also. I think you got also, but you preferred IIT Hyderabad over others.
Yes, sir. Basically, it's near to my hometown, so that is one reason. And
Uh, yeah.
yeah, yes, sir. It's quite good here.
Campus is
And
also good. I heard IIT Hyderabad campus is also good, right? It's very
yes,
good.
sir.
New campus, right?
We
Mm.
have a lot of new buildings.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. How it is green or not? Because I heard it was in some area where usually people were. It's a dry area or it's like how?
it's a dry area, sir. It's the outskirts of Hyderabad.
Yes,
It's
yes.
around 25 kilometers from here.
Oh, it is 125 kilometer from
Not
Bangalore.
125, sir. 25. 25.
25 is okay,
Yeah.
manageable.
Yes.
Yeah, even I suggest sometime, my close student, ki instead of going too far, IIT Hyderabad can go because placement scenario is always good because it's very close, right, to Bangalore, and many companies are there in Hyderabad itself, so they prefer to go to IIT Hyderabad. And another advantage, it's a combined specialization under mechanical and aerospace, right? So earlier also we had one of the IGC team member long back. He was a master's from IIT Hyderabad and he got placed in Mercedes actually. I'm talking of 2018, 2019 time. Okay. And Anirudh, you know our fluid mechanics assignments, Charisma,
Yes.
were prepared by the, that person only, fluid assignments. Yeah. So we'll see if any question. Yeah, so there is one question. So while applying, there was option of MOE, research assistantship, self-sponsored. So you have to apply for research assistantship, Mr. Naik, because you are not self-sponsoring, and you can go for more details in their admission process. It will be there. There are multiple options at IIT Hyderabad, self-sponsor, or MOE is what? Any idea?
We are MOE students, sir. MOE is like the government will provide us a stipend every month.
Oh, that is MOE. So you have to
Yeah.
apply under what a research assistantship?
It's a 3-year MTech program, I think, sir.
Okay, okay, got that is the MTech research. Okay, okay.
Mhm, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. So MOE they have to apply. Now, what is the cutoff for previous years? Rusikesh already we have provided. IIT Hyderabad official cutoffs are not there, but from IGC we have given cutoff. Rusikesh, you have any idea? Because again we cannot na Charisma, because even mechanical guys were there in your class. They may have better score than aero guys, so it's tricky to tell. Also, right?
Yes.
I think some people in MTech research also got admission in IIT Hyderabad, but nobody joined from IGC, right, Charisma?
Ah, yes, sir. Some people are there.
In MTech research, there anybody from
Yeah.
IGC? May I
IGC, I
know?
don't know, sir. I think no one is there from
People will
IGC.
be there, of course.
Yeah.
It's a department, right? But no, but somebody, some people got offer also, but I think they didn't join. So we'll see their experience if we can share later with these guys. Okay. So any more question, guys? Anybody else have any question? So Anirudh, when you are going to join your placement,
July,
like
sir.
July, they have given joining. Okay, okay. In fact, our IGC team member is also there. Once you come, I will tell you who is there. Okay, you can get good mentorship
Sure,
under
sir.
him. Yeah, sure. Okay, so guys, any more question? Asis, Rusikesh, anybody else? Okay, then I think no more question. So thank you, Charisma, for your time and support. Thank you, Mr. Anirudh, for listening to me. Ki you can join IIT Hyderabad, because earlier days people were not even ready to join IIT, you know, Kharagpur also, Anirudh, when somebody was getting the low rank, right? So you took
Yes,
good
sir.
decision, and you chose without spending one more year of time unnecessary, and now you succeeded. So that's good, and very happy to see that. And Anirudh, I'm very happy now. Many people from your college they join. In fact, in Dayanand Sagar now there are two colleges, right, in Bangalore, one university campus and one is here, this JP
Yes,
Nagar,
sir.
right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So and they are succeeding also. This year also we have good ranks from your college. Last year also one of the guy Rohit, he joined IIT Madras. He has given session on IIT Madras this year. Okay,
Oh,
then
that's great,
Charisma,
sir.
any and your college also, Lucky Reddy, Balreddy, Charisma.
Yes.
Those guys also, that Murray Wellam, what is name? Marialam, what is place name? Lucky Reddy, Balreddy, where it is in Andhra?
Pallavaram, sir. Mallavaram.
Malavaram, yeah.
It's near Vijayawada.
Malavaram. Yeah, Nijave. Malavaram people also joining IGC courses. So that is what like you guys have given, right? That thumbs up,
Yes.
okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. Okay then.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.